Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Looking for a Halloween idea in a hurry? Well, why not try these vampire cookies? They're really easy to put together using store-bought items like choc chip cookies, vanilla icing, and mini marshmallows. Use either soft chocolate chip cookies or bake a roll of ready-made cookie dough. While the cookies are still warm to the touch, cut them in half and leave aside for later. Color vanilla icing in red and scrape out into a piping bag. Slice slivers of blanched almonds for the fangs. A nut-free alternative is to use pumpkin seeds. Pipe the red vanilla icing onto the two halves of the cookies. Place mini marshmallows on as teeth. And then the almond slivers as fangs. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy Halloween recipe. See you next time.